Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to insert 3D model image in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and just go to the insert tab. In the illustration group have a 3D models. Just click on this drop down arrow and here the two options this device and stock 3D models. So 3D models, wait for the few seconds to open this stock 3D models images. Here the online 3D models is open. When you drag it, you can see the all types of the 3D models is available. So select those you want. So I select here the emoji, and here in emoji you can see the all emoji available in 3D. Okay. So I just simply selected this one and this one. Okay. Click the insert and here you see your emoji is inserted. Okay. So I just keep cursor on this line and drag here. Okay, set here. Okay, I just click anywhere first. Then I keep cursor on this line and move here. Okay. With this, the 3D model is so added. You can see, you can change the here 3D model view. Okay, see, this is the way you can change. See, okay. With this, you can change the height also. Width also you can change. And other formatting option you can use here. Okay. So this is a way you can insert the 3D model image in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.